Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Fatimah and I would like to explain about my coding in the topic of inheritance and polymorphism. Before that, inheritance is a form of software usability in which new classes are created from existing classes. And the polymorphism refers to the ability to associate many meanings to one method's name by means of a special mechanism known as a late binding or dynamic binding. From this coding, it shows there are two subclasses here, which is a dry clean and a wet clean. The laundry service is a superclass and a laundryman is a main class. And I will show the class one by one. The first class I will show is a laundry service. Laundry service also have abstract. Abstract is designed to be used only as a base classes for defining a new classes. And another abstract in laundry service is a among due. The entity of a laundry service is a customer name and a code. The second class is a wet clean. Wet clean is an extent from a laundry service. And the entity of the wet clean is a type and week. From this, we can see that they are super, which is mean it will inherit the entity of a laundry service, which is a customer name and a code. The entity of the wet clean, type and weight will help to determine the amount for a wet clean, and there are two types of clothes, which is clothes and others, and it will give a different amount according to the type of clothes and weight. The third class is a dry clean. Dry clean also extend from a laundry service, and same as a wet clean, it will inherit the entity of the laundry service, and the entity of the dry clean is a quantity. From this, we can see that quantity will help to calculate the amount for a dry clean, and there are three parts of a quantity, which is below 5, between 6 and 12, and above 12. It will give a different amount of a dry clean. The last classes is a laundryman. Laundryman is main classes, and it will print the output, and before that it will ask to enter the number of customer. The number of customer will add as an array in this coding, and after that it will ask to input the name, the code and the type of laundry service. After that it will print out the wet clean followed by the dry clean laundry service. After that it will print out the customer detail, and it will help to calculate the amount due for wet cleaning for the type clothes, and it use the wear instead of wet clean and ignore case closet only. The last section in this main class is to calculate the total amount of wet clean and a dry clean, and it also use the instead of wet clean and a dry clean. Lastly, I will show the output of the program. Firstly, we have to enter the number of customer, enter name, code, after we finish input all the details, and it will print out the customer detail, and it will show the result for the amount due for a wet cleaning for type classes, and a total amount of a wet cleaning and total amount of dry cleaning. That's all from me. Thank you.